Divine Healer, source of all compassion and grace, I come before you with a humble heart, seeking your healing touch. Pour out your mercy upon me, O Lord, and renew my body, mind, and spirit. In your infinite wisdom, you understand my suffering and pain. With unwavering faith, I place my trust in your healing power. Grant me strength to endure this trial and courage to face each day. May your healing light penetrate every cell and restore health where illness resides. May your comforting presence bring peace to my restless soul. I surrender myself entirely to your divine will, knowing that you work all things for good. Bless the hands of those who care for me, guiding them with your wisdom and skill. Surround me with your love, O God, and lift me from this place of suffering. In your name I pray for restoration, for wholeness, and for healing. Amen. May this prayer bring comfort and hope, trusting in the divine power to heal and restore.